Hi, welcome to Chipotle. How can I help you?
Can I have a bowl, please?
Okay, hold on. Would you like brown rice or white rice? Actually, ma'am, I'm sorry. Right now, we only have white rice. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get, extra white rice, please?
You want extra?
Yes.
Is that enough?
No. Okay. Can I have a little bit more?
All right. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Actually, they don't even ask you if that's enough. Okay.
They just stop.
What kind of meat would you like?
Can I have half and half chicken and half steak?
Okay. Fancy.
Well, more chicken and just a little bit less steak.
I need a bigger spoon, honey. Hold on.
Can I get a little bit more chicken?
That's going to be an extra charge.
It's fine.
Okay. So you want double chicken?
Yes. And just a little steak.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay. Oh, girl, that's all you was going to get. That's the one portion right here. I didn't want to skip you on a steak now, honey.
Okay, can I get corn?
Okay. Okay.
Can I get some cheese? No, before the cheese, can I get some tomatoes?
Tomatoes, okay. Mix that up a little bit. Okay, hold on. Make sure I drain it out for you. That way your bowl won't be too soggy. Is that enough?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now can I get some cheese?
Okay, actually, let me get a little spoon. Hold on. Now, this is our kitchen right here, so I'm not going to be using any gloves, but we are truly sanitary up in here with the clean hands. We passed our health inspection, so we're good with that.
Okay, can I get sour cream?
Okay. Now, how much you want of sour cream? You want a little bit or?
Just a little bit. That's enough.
That's it? Okay.
And can I get lettuce?
Okay.
Just a little bit. Yeah. And I think that's going to be it. Can I have some of this sauce?
Okay. Any guacamole?
No, I don't like guacamole in a bowl.
Alright, now this is going to be a little spicy, okay?
It's fine.
Okay, you want a little drizzle?
Just a little bit, like, that's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Alright. Anything else for you today, ma'am?
No, I think that'll be it.
Would you like chips or drink?
Yes, I would like some chips.
Okay. Let me put this up on your bowl first. Hang on. She got double chicken steak and yeah, she didn't get guacamole, so I'll make sure we charge her what she's supposed to be charged.
Okay.
And where is my Sharpie? Where are my Sharpie legs? Okay, ma'am, I'm sorry. You want chips?
Yes.
Okay, let me get you a little something. Okay. Extra chicken steak. Okay, let me get you a little chips. Okay, let me get the bag for you. Are you going to be doing debit, credit, or cash?
I'll be doing credit.
Okay, go ahead and insert your card for me. And would you like a receipt today?
No, it'll be fine.
Okay, well, thank you for visiting Chipotle. I hope you enjoy your bowl, and we'll see you back for the next visit.
Thank you.
Look at this girl. Y'all, we trying to give y'all the whole Chipotle experience, okay? So I really want Emmy to taste it on camera. This is the YouTube video right here. But let's see what Emmy got in her bowl.
Mom, is it done?
No.
Yes, it is. dry.
It is.
Yeah.
What you missing?
I feel like I need some more sour cream.
Yeah. Put some sour cream on.
I'm just get some guacamole.
Okay. You need something.
Yeah.
Because what do you be getting at the... Would it be looking like that when you get it from the store?
Yeah, but I don't get guacamole. I don't like it that much. But we'll get it for the content.
No, you don't. That's your bowl. You don't have to get it if you don't want to.
It's okay. See, that looks better.
Okay.
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 Is it good?
It genuinely tastes better than Chipotle.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
The meat has more seasoning.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Thank you, customer. Now, where's my money? Where's my tip? Give me something. Give me and Dad something for getting you this.
Well, I don't think I have.
And then you going back in the store for extra? Ma'am, this is extra. You didn't ask for extra cheese in your bowl, ma'am.
Thank you for your service.
Ooh,
I will go.
get that out. But yo, this was good. You know, this is a version of us bringing our favorite restaurant dishes to our home. Our kids have been begging for Chipotle all week. Actually, nonstop. They never stop asking for Chipotle. And it seems like every time I get Chipotle, they get mad when they can't get it. So I said, you know what? We're going to go ahead and bring Chipotle home. And we're going to make our own. So tonight we finally did it. And now they're up. Y'all won't believe it's like 2:30 in the morning. But hey, we got it done. And we'll see y'all back for the next video. Don't forget to go to Facebook to watch the live of how we did the whole thing. And we'll see y'all back. Bye. It was a nice added touch with the bowls, right?
Extra.
You didn't get any corn?
I want more.
Okay, that's good. Now put it up right here.
Boneless.
Like the boneless chicken, girl. Put a couple chips.
I want my
that's
chips
what-
on the side.
Okay, well here, take your picture 10. This is how we normally just put it when you bring it home anyway.
That's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, it's late. Come on. Alright, bye customer.
Give me my utensils.
Oh, girl.
Why did we get so much Chipotle forks?
Ah, damn.
Those be the best forks.
I didn't think about it. Okay, go ahead, look.
Excuse me.
I didn't think about the forks.
Chipotle with no Chipotle forks.
I forgot the chip bag. I forgot the
I
forks.
think they would have gave you a bunch of chip bags though.
Well, I mean, if she actually asked me if I wanted tops, I didn't even think about the chip bags.
Was it weird when you asked?
How was the cheese mix, Emmy?
What cheese?
It's two different
What about
cheeses in
the
there. It's-
queso cheese?
No, we didn't do all that tonight. If y'all want that tomorrow, y'all can do that part. You go too fast. I can't see. And they talk about that little one's gonna be enough guacamole.
Enough for where?
Exactly. Did you get corn?
Yeah.
You don't want no lettuce?
No.
Did you want some of the salsa? Like the little green salsa?
Used on the lawns.
No, it's one more in the refrigerator. I mean, yeah, what do you need it for?
To squeeze over my poopy.
Just use a fork and just get the rest of the juice out of these. Just use a fork.
It'll be fine.
No, I'm saying.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Is this good in it?
Try it a little bit on your finger first.
I know what it tastes like. I just don't know if it'll be good in it.
Just put a little bit on the edge and taste it.
Okay, I think that's it.
Okay. Did you want the pico? Did you eat
No.
pico guacamole? All right. No lettuce?
No.
Okay. Okay, so I'll have Daddy and Twan fix their bowls tomorrow. Mama is about to go lay down. So somebody gonna have to clean up. Who we paid to put the food away?